Hi, I'm Jamie from Guarantia, and I'm just going to talk through and show you our urban planter. So it all comes packaged inside itself. Got the clear lid here, and then we've basically got 4 legs which all clip into place. And then also this metal support bar. First thing we do is just push that into place. That just stops the sides from spreading when it's backfilled. Then if we flip it over, the legs simply push into place. Base and legs are made from recycled plastic, and then everything is recyclable. Stands like that. We can now backfill with the soil and compost, plant it out how we like, and then we have the lid that sits on top there, protecting it from birds and things. We've then got these water trays here, so we don't need to take the lid off to water the plants. We can simply just fill up these with water, and then we've got these drip holes here. They'll just drip down onto the plants, keeping them watered. And then if it's raining, again, the water can still get down inside. If we just pick up the camera, and we'll just head over and show you one that we've got planted out. And there we are.